Inside the box, there is the power cord, startup model, 3D printed, model screw for taking the model out later on, user manual, 1mm HIPS sheets, comes in different colors. The Vacu3D parts. This is the handle. Here's the upper frame. This is the lower frame. These are the locking levers. And this is here, of course, the LCD display. When using Vacu3D, always follow basic safety precautions and read the user manual. In the upper housing of the Vacu3D, there are radiators which emits significant amount of heat during operation. Be careful. Do not place your hands under these radiators. Do not touch the upper housing as well. Vacu3D former has its own vacuum source. Only 230 volts main voltage and consumables in the form of plastic sheets is needed for work. This is the start screen of the Vacu3D. As you can see, we have a menu of material to select from. To navigate through this menu, we can go up and down. So we have HIPS, ABS, PVC, PETG, PE, PP, and PMMA. These are different types of plastic sheet that is compatible with this material. Further to that, we have custom. So we can add our custom plastic sheets in terms of temperature and time settings. For example, if we decide to use HIPS, and that's what comes with this machine, we click on HIPS, and then a second screen comes up asking us to specify the thickness of the sheet that we are using. We can choose from 0.25 all the way to 3 mm. Once we select the thickness, for example 1 mm, now it tells us that the temperature is 80 degrees Celsius required for the forming of this material, and the time will be 30 seconds after the bar is completely full and the desired temperature is reached. To start the vacuum forming process, we just click play, and as you can see, the color of the bar changes to orange, which means that heating is in progress. To start using the Vacu3D, first open the frame by turning both locking levers backward. Then lift the frame up using the handle. Remove the protective film on the 1mm HIPS sheet. Place the matte or glossy side facing up, depending on the surface effect you want to achieve. Use the handle to lower the upper frame and place it on the film. To lock the frames, turn both locking levers forward. Lift the frame up using the handle. Cover the startup model in spray model separator or slightly grease with petroleum jelly or oil. Place the startup model in the middle of the bed. Press the HIPS button, select 1mm, and then press play. After the turbine switches off, open the frame by turning both locking levers backward. Lift the frame up using the handle. Remove the pressed film from the bed together with the model. Screw in the model screw. Remove the model from the pressed film.